Good morning. Another day, another vlog. We're going to work out and you are coming with me. This is our first day back working again.
We look at these pictures together, okay? One time.
Second? Oh yeah, second, because we go before. Matter probably no man, I'm not here. I'm just a wait. The man is so not gonna get the vlog done. That will be more real, you know. This is my real life. I'm just waking up. It's Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:55 a.m.
Back from the gym. I'm dying. He hot. Me hot. I just a forward. Oh Lord. I did. You know what I noticed?
What?
Well, I vlog me that talked about you can answer too. Everybody always want to go to the gym the first year of the month. I don't know why. But every year, the beginning of the year, everybody there for a new beginning. I must go in the gym this year. Me not like workout, you know. But me like feel pain. That weird. Jesus. Jesus. What have you done to me? Have a wonderful day at work. I have to come out there, yeah. Have a wonderful day. And there is a job.
It's lotion. It's lotion.
Drive safe. Call me when I reach. Let me know when I reach. Last year never going well. New year I still can't tell. Just one thing me I meant. That year me I go hard for myself. Mommy want something for brother. That year me I go turn it up louder. More while me feel me heart to get colder. Watch over me in a Jehovah. Yo vlog world, what go on? A mad move. So right now me up on the road. Me and Slime the right there so. When me stop me and show him. We up on way I go link up with Savage real quick. Me just see up on the phone with Ricky. Me da go link up with Ricky too, you know, but Ricky they far right now. Me probably still go link up with Ricky. Come if go grab something real quick. Slime the right there so. Yo! White seat Tesla. Right now we are gonna link with Savage. Savage here want to link up video shoot right now, so we are gonna link up with him. And we just come link Slime, so me and Slime are gonna meet up with him, and then after me figure out what me are gonna do. But tonight me probably are gonna cook some brown stew chicken with yellow rice, you see me? Me not try I think me can actually cook that, so wanna just stay tuned for that. My girl dey over her brother right now. She forward from work, she dey over her brother. So little more if she want to talk, me go try catch some scene with her talk too, you know, about her day and them thing there. Kinda like hear her idea go, you know, when she come from work and them thing there. Feel like a proud dad. A bad bitch swallow does a offspring. You think you're a dancer? Killer dead it? Yes, Clark Ding.
See
Ding want to hear this. See, I'm forward what I can. So reaching our place. Yo, Savage, hold this man. Let me show you. Let me show you how that rim is big. What's that? Let me have what, 30, 32?
34.
36.
34, that's a 6'4".
34.
Mm.
Yeah. $20,000 rim, man. 70,000 watcher, one of many. What this name again? Dropped up.
22.
Challenger.
The only one is South
Only
Florida.
one in South Florida. I know you must be fucking all the bitches here.
You already know.
Come here again, let me show you something that
They
dropped
wanna
that.
fuck my car.
This is a yard man one. You have to say this. Now one flag in there. Look on the Jamaican flag right there. Yard man. Blood clot. Yo, this worth about 150. Probably 150, right? Me right, man, me right. Alright, we have Tesla over here. And Durangos and what that, Benz?
Yeah.
I want Benz. Should I lock off my car light, you know, but you can't do it.
But you can't do it, you're a good man.
This, you're going on this, you have to fuck. If a girl going on this, you have to fuck. Yo,
Yeah, that. Do it for the vlog.
we must buy one of them, man. Yo, no look here, turn on the camera. Look here. What's the door, man? What's the door? Who make me buy one of them, yeah? Do. Bumbo clad! I say, hey, chop or shit this. Come here. What's that? Khaki color seat. Bumbo clad. Catch the flag again, catch the flag. What?
Still inside the back seat. Daddy Yankee though.
Bumbo clad. This is in our video? Yeah. Yes, clad. Skilly. Skilly, you know link. You sign it out, car. This bad man, me not like.
Put that music on. AD, hit that music one time.
Sound in this load.
Yeah, man. Lord.
But yeah, copyright, YouTube. Yo, the man ever dropped that. Hold on, stop the music. Stop the music. Copyright. Watch out, dog have a TV, dropped up TV, trophy. The money I win cash show regular. Humble club. Remember, you know, a big people league this. My rim them not nowhere near them, yeah.
Niggas rims out right now, man.
Yo, look on him chain, very see chain, you have to say no.
Niggas chain too, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, nobody can take a Jamaican girl them off of my video now. Cause every girl I got ask, wanna see him Instagram, yeah? See him Instagram there. A mad thing, man. Yo, me must fuck, if me have this, me must fuck something in there.
PDF already. Little pump belly, can't hold pump belly. Ratchet in my ears, now I send him down a medic. Me have the soul, she's full of good credit. Don't shake it, come down, make the skull upset.
I miss you. Where's the come in never miss you? I miss you. Yeah? Why I never tell her? Why I repeat everything to your camera? How was your day at work?
It was good.
That's
It was
good.
so cold in that room.
That's good. Are you anemic already?
I'm not anemic. Oh,
Poor
I got
thing.
batteries for the
Take your vitamins then.
for the remote.
I'll cook some brown stew. Well, you know already. I'll cook some brown stew, guys. You see me? So the chicken now 100 towel. I'm kind of pissed off, but we'll make it work. You want them with tough?
I've been in there for like an hour though.
No, man, I'm more than an hour. You want them with tough? Me, I put them back in my bag. I don't think me I cook so much chicken. Hey, guys, look what we got. Look what we got. Slime, big up yourself. Look what we got. A hair fryer. I gonna make use of that. Chefins. Look at brown stew. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I don't cook. I'm a vex. I should have do it step by step. We watch TV right now, but I should have do it step by step. This is a fair plate. I'm showing you my plate. So the chicken there, mashed potato, fried plant, and white rice, you know. But I don't eat mine before. Hold on. I'm ready to go on my bed because I got to work out tomorrow. I have to edit this soon so I get it for tomorrow. And Oh, today I post up so me that look people for as you know in the last vlog. I post up me that look people for shoot with. I get a link with 2 and I wait for a link with 2 more. So no stay tuned for something called Caught Up, you know? A mad thing. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, ooh, my nipples just show. We about to call it a night. So go give me a massage. Yeah, I'm a feeling mad at you, you know that.
I thought you were gonna clean it.
No, why? Why me should I clean it?
You said you were going to. I didn't say you should.
And no, I never said I was going to do that.
You
It
did.
was a plate I was talking about.
Oh, I didn't know. Alright, then I'm gonna clean it.
You say she bright, you see? If you have a great mind, tell them what you do. Don't tell them.
No.
But vlog girl, we there and watch a movie and call it a night. And touch back the road tomorrow. So check out that vlog, yeah? You know, check it out already. Open the light that vlog, I'm up on yourself. Another day, another vlog, soon tomorrow again. Martin, you ready for my massage? Come.